guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautiful Natural Makeup. So today you guys, I am going to do a hand mask. So I picked this mask up at the dollar store, Dollarama here in Canada. So this is the mask. It is a AVEENO hand mask. This is it. So it said here, repairing CICA hand mask, enriched with oats and shea butter. It helped to repair for extra dry skin. Now this mask is also dermatology tested. It's recommended, and it's also paraben free and fragrance free. So you don't have any fragrance. It's a natural hand mask. Number one said wash hand thoroughly and dry. Number two said insert one hand in each gloves and faster and strap for comfort. Number three said remove after 10 minutes. No need to rinse, so you don't have to rinse your hand. And number four said massage remaining product into the skin until fully absorb. So this is the mask. You have water in it. You also have glycerine into the mask here. So you have quite a few ingredients. You also have alcohol. You have avena, sensitive oats. You have caramel oil and sodium also in it. Shea butter into it. The first thing in this mask is water. So I am going to cut the top of the mask. I already washed my hand here. So I'm going to cut the top of the mask, and I am going to show you how the mask look in here. So it come into this. This is how the mask is. Wow, and these gloves are big. So you got you have two gloves. And as I said, I already washed my hand. So I'm gonna place my hand in this mask here. I'm gonna place my hand in this mask. This is how the mask look on one hand, and this is how the other hand. This is how this look, and it have like a bit of moisturizer in it. So I am going to put my hand in the mask. So this is the mask. I'm gonna keep it on for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll come back to you guys with it. So guys, I have the mask on for 10 minutes now. This is it. So let's take off the mask of my hand. And this is how my hand look here. I'm gonna take off the other mask also off my hand. So I'm gonna just use the liquid in the mask to massage my hand. No, my hand the mask don't have a lot of liquid, but it have enough to make your hand feel soft. So this is how my hand is right now. My hand feel really, really soft, and it feel also moisturizing. They say not to wash off, so I'm not gonna wash it off. I'm just gonna massage the mask on my finger and my hand. And it's also for dry skin. So if you have dry hand, because sometimes we intend to get dry hand, especially in the winter here, our skin intend to get dry. So this is how the back of my hand is, you guys. And this is the middle of my hand. So you can see my hand is moisturized here. Very, very soft, very, very hydrating. and very, very masterized. So the mask come in this, as I said, and it have two. It's a gloves, so if you saw it in the drugstore and you want it, in the dollar store and you want to pick it up, I picked mine at Dollarama, not Dollar Tree, Dollarama, and I pay, I think, maybe $4.99 I pay for it, but it feel really, really good on the skin, you guys. Really, really good. Really, really hydrating. Really, really moisturizing. Wow, it's soft. So that's my thought on these hand masks from AVEENO that I picked up. And inside the plastic you get this that you put your hand into, so you don't put your hand in the direct plastic. There's a piece of thing inside, so you put your hand in that to get, and it also comes with a tape here, so when you put the mask on your hand you can use the tape here to tape down the mask, which I didn't because my hand fit properly in it. So if you have a small hand and you're going to use this mask, there's a tape that come here for you to tape the mask on your hand. But this mask feel really, really nice on the skin. I want to say thank you so much again for watching, you guys, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, please go ahead, hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you, have a great day, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.